So when you come out of the plie, you're going to flick that right toe to the left quickly now. 1. You have to do it in 1. You unbalance. Now pull, pull, push, push. Come on, off the bar, off the bar. This is all about getting on your leg. So now take that left hand off the bar when you releve. So are you on balance? That's how you learn. When you're in the center floor, you're either going to stand up or fall down. So you have to teach your muscles to balance. Push. Are you there? Come on, right hand off the bar. Off the bar.